Exploring is about pushing the bounds of what we are capable of as humans. It gets at who we are intrinsically as people, and so because of that, I think it really is something that unites all of us together here on Earth. My name is Jessica Watkins, and I'm a mission specialist for NASA's SpaceX Crew 4 mission to the International Space Station. At a pretty early age, I got kind of set on the idea of becoming an astronaut. That was when I kind of first voiced the dream and interest in space and in being an astronaut in particular. My parents always stressed the importance of getting a good education and finding something that you're passionate about. And so finding geology, finding that love of mine, that passion, was really a turning point for me in my career. My graduate work focused mostly on the geology of Mars. It was part of my interest in wanting to pursue internships at NASA and gave me that exposure to those different possibilities of what careers are possible in this planetary geology field. Deciding to be an astronaut is kind of setting out a dream for yourself and then kind of stowing it in the back of your head, at least in my case. So the day that I received the phone call to invite me to come down to Johnson Space Center and become an astronaut just really was truly a dream come true.
Ladies and gentlemen, the newest astronaut, Jessica Watkins.
And I still am waiting for somebody to pinch me and wake me up. The opportunity to be the first Black woman on an International Space Station long-duration crew is exciting. It certainly is important to me and impactful to me to be able to be a part of the legacy that so many before me have paved the way to enable me to be here now. As much as I can be a small part of that legacy, I'm honored to have the opportunity. Being selected to be a part of this Crew 4 mission is truly an honor. I am so excited about the opportunity to fly with Chell, Samantha, and Bob. All three of them are very different. They all bring different skill sets, different experiences, but I think all four of us together really just coalesce well as a crew. I think launch day is going to be the day that all this starts to really finally feel real. And so I just look forward to that moment of exhale and of excitement all at the same time.